Hello and welcome again, dear students. It's Deepak Tiwari, your physics teacher, here with a new video related to the physical quantities and measurement. Let me start the video. The physical quantities and measurement. The term measurement. It is a process of comparison of the given unknown quantity with a fixed known quantity of the same kind, which is called the units. As we know, measurement is an essential need to keep accuracy in our various day to day activities. We cannot make the correct judgment about the length, the height, the area, the volume, mass, and temperature without the actual measurement. So, it is necessary for us to having a comparison between the known and unknown quantity in terms of units. तो हम क्या करते हैं, उन यूनिट्स का सहारा लेके हम मेज़रमेंट करते हैं, कंपेयर करते हैं बिटवीन द टू फिजिकल क्वांटिटीज़, द नोन क्वांटिटी एंड द अननोन क्वांटिटी. ओके, देन physical quantities. What are physical quantity? A quantity that can be measured is known as physical quantity. वो quantity जिनको measure किया जा सकता है उनको हम physical quantities कहते हैं. Okay, some examples of the physical quantities are length, the volume, the temperature, the time. Okay, these are the physical quantities. And if we move forward, the physical quantities are subdivided into the two parts, the two types having the physical quantities. The first one is the fundamental physical quantities or the derived physical quantities or the derived quantities. In the fundamental quantities, the quantities which do not depend on other quantities, ऐसी quantities जो कि दूसरी quantities के ऊपर dependent नहीं है, which are existed independently. Okay, then the length, mass and time, these are the basic or the fundamental quantities which do not depends on other quantities. Okay, but if we move to the derived quantities, the quantities which depends on the other quantities, such as area. If we're talking about the area is basically dependent on the length and the breadth. Okay, and the density is the other derived quantity which is also dependent on the mass and the volume of a substance or an object. So here the area and the density are the two derived quantities which are dependent on the other quantities. Okay, clear? Now speed is also an example of this derived quantity which depends on the distance and the time, and distance and time are the other two quantities. Okay, then the quantities which depends on the other quantities are called derived quantities. This is the introductory video. Okay, we are now performing the basic terms. Okay, the magnitude, the term magnitude, the number of times the unit is combined in a quantity. Okay, number of times the unit is combined in a quantity, यानी कितने number of times में वो क्वांटिटी से रिलेटेड यूनिट से कंबाइन होके वो क्वांटिटी आ रही है. तो मैग्नीट्यूड इज बेसिकली डिपेंडेंट as a value of number or a number. Okay, the measurement consists two parts. If we measure the quantities, the physical quantities, we have to know the two basic standards, the magnitude and the unit. This magnitude and unit combined and the product to each other, and we will get the measurement of any particular quantity. For example, I have written here the example 67 kilograms. Look, 67 is the numerical value. Okay, 67 is the number of times or the numerical value which is combined with a unit which is the kilogram. So magnitude and the product of the unit gives us the measurement of the physical quantity. Say Q, which is the quantity, okay, is equal to the magnitude and is denoted as the magnitude and U as a unit. So physical quantity is the measurement of physical quantity will be equal to the product of the magnitude and the unit. Here it is the product of the magnitude and the unit. Okay, now the fundamental quantity is having some units as well. This is called the standard units of measurement. The some standard units of measurement according to the fundamental quantities in terms of length, mass and time. Okay, so we having the MKS, the meter, M for meter, K for kilogram, and S for second, and in CGS form, the centimeter, the gram, and the second, FPS, the foot, pound, and second. So if we are talking about the fundamental quantities of the base, some different standard units of the measurement which we have taken out here, so the comparison of the data was difficult with a large number of units. We have the different units of measurement here, so it is very difficult to compare the data in the large number of terms. Okay, so in 1960 the conference held, the name of the conference is the Conference of Weights and Measurement, adopted a system of units which was adopted universally. Okay, which was adopted universally, that is the SI unit. Okay, and the SI unit is known as the International System of Units. This international system of units is adopted by each and every country on the world to define or to measure the different physical quantities in the world. Okay, then this is the SI unit. So today, in today's terms, we are using the standard unit for the measurement of the different physical quantities. Now let me talk about the different physical quantities. The first one is length. How will you measure the length? First of all, what is length? Then length is the distance between 2 points. Okay, length is the distance between the 2 points and its SI unit is meter. So today the length is measured in meter. In the earlier times we are using the foot step, the hand span. Okay, then that was the previous adopting units which we have adopted earlier times in the ancient times. But today, according to the international standard system, we are using the standard unit which is the meter, denoted by small m, and the length is measured with a meter ruler and the measuring tape. Okay, these are some ruling devices, the measurement devices. The multiple units of length, we know that kilometer will be equal to 1000 meters, and when 1 hectometer will be equal to 1000 meters. Okay, then 1 hectometer is 100 meters. Okay, and the 1 decameter, which is when DAM, decameter is denoted as DAM, will be equal to 10 meters. Now sub units or sub multiple units are also there to measure the length, which is 1 decimeter, which is dm, will be equal to 1/10 of meter. Yani it is the 10th part, 1/10 part of the meter, which is the decimeter, denoted as 10 inverse 1. Then 1 centimeter is equal to, we know that 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. That is the one part of from the 100 term. And 1 millimeter will be equal to 1 upon 100th meter. That is 10 to the power minus 3 meter. These are the SI units, the multiple unit, and the sub multiple units of measuring length. Now the second quantity is the mass. मास इज अ क्वांटिटी ऑफ मैटर कंटेन इन अ बॉडी. एक बॉडी में जितना क्वांटिटी ऑफ मैटर कंटेन है उसी को हम मास कहते हैं. द एसआई यूनिट ऑफ मास इज किलोग्राम, which is denoted as kg, and the measuring, we will measure the mass by using beam balance or the electronic balance. Today we are using the electronic balance, which is the most accurate devices to measure the mass of an object. Now some units are also there. 1 gram will be equal to 1000 milligram, and 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 grams, and 1 quintal is equal to 100 kilograms, and 1 metric ton will be equal to 10 quintals. Okay, these are some basic units which we are using today to measure the mass of an object. Now we are talking about the time here. What is the time? That interval of occurrence of an event. The interval of occurrence of an event. Event कितनी देर हो रहा है या उस event को होने में कितना time लग रहा है. It is the interval, that is the time of an event. The occurring of an event is a time. It is measured in second. This is the SI unit which we have used in here. The second is the SI unit. It is measured with a pendulum. Look, I have drawn a diagram of a pendulum here. Okay, it is a bob and a string is taken out. Okay, then it is the pendulum and a watch. Today we are using the devices, the pendulum and a watch, to measure the time. Now for short time interval, Okay, if we are talking about the short time interval, we are using today a stopwatch. You know that the athletes are using the stopwatch, and some games and sports are using this device to measure the time, because the short time interval, the accurate time of interval is used here. Also some basic units as well. We know that one day is equal to 24 hours, okay, and 1 hour will be equal to 60 minutes, and 1 minute equal to 60 seconds. Also 1 year is equal to 365 days, and 1 decade, okay, 1 decade is equal to 10 years. Okay, clear? And 1 century is equal to 10 decades. It means ki 1 century is equal to 100 years. Okay, and 1 century is equal to 1 million, 1 millennium. Okay, these are some units as well of time. Now the temperature, which is the next physical quantity. Temperature is a quantity which measures the हॉटनेस, द डिग्री ऑफ हॉटनेस एंड कोल्डनेस ऑफ अ बॉडी. टेम्परेचर एक क्वांटिटी है जो कि किसी भी बॉडी की डिग्री ऑफ हॉटनेस या कोल्डनेस को मेजर करता है या शो करता है. एंड इट्स एसआई यूनिट, वी हैविंग द 3 एसआई यूनिट्स, द केल्विन, सेंटीग्रेड एंड फ़ारेनहाइट. हैविंग द 3 स्केल्स बाय विच वी कैन मेजर द टेम्परेचर, the Kelvin scale, the degree Celsius or the centigrade scale, and the Fahrenheit scale, denoted as K, degree Celsius and degree Fahrenheit. Now we will measure the temperature by which device? The thermometer, which we will use to measure the temperature. We will discuss about the different thermometers in the next video of this this chapter, the physical quantities and measurement. Now if we move forward, we have an area. What is an area? The space occupied enclosed by the side of surface by an object is known as an area. किसी भी ऑब्जेक्ट की साइड्स जो होती हैं, उस साइड्स के द्वारा जितना भी सरफेस ऑक्यूपाई किया जाता है, एनक्लोज किया जाता है, उसी को हम एरिया कहते हैं. For some plane figures, we have an area of square, the side into side. Look, it is an square and having the two sides are equal, that is length or the breadth are both are equal, that's why side into side. Look, and the SI unit is meter. We are using meter here, which is the basic unit. Meter, suppose it is the meter and it is the meters. Okay, meter into meter will be meter into meter is equal to meter square. That's why we are using here the sides in square terms. Now the area of rectangle is equal to length into breadth, and the area of triangle, suppose it is the triangle, it is the triangle, it is the base, and it is height. Okay, then area of triangle is equal to half into base into height, and the SI unit is meter square. We have also an multiple units as well in terms of larger area, such as the piece of land or the space of the building. Okay, and we will use the different units, that is 1 acre. 1 acre will be equal to 4046.85 meter square, and 1 hectare is equal to 2.471 acres, and 1 hectare is also equal to 100 into 100 meter, that is 10,000 meter square. Now for much bigger area, such as the area of a country, the area of a continent, we will use the some standards units as well, the larger unit, that is square kilometer. Then 1 square kilometer, yani 1 km into 1 km, kilometer square, that is kilometers is twicely multiplied to each other. Then 1000 into 1000, then 1 kilometer is equal to 1 kilometer will be equal to 1000 meter. This 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter, that will be 6 times 0, that is 10 to the power 6 meter square. Now we have some smaller units as well for measuring the very small area as well, that is centimeter. The centimeter square, 1 square centimeter is equal to 1 cm into 1 cm, that is centimeter. 1 centimeter will be equal to 10 mm, millimeter. 1 centimeter is equal to 10. While multiplying these, we will get the 100 millimeter square for measuring the very small area of an object or a space. Now we will discuss about some next topics after this video in the second part of the video, such as the different thermometers. Okay, then average, the speed, the accuracy of measurement as well. Okay, and this is all about today's session. Okay, hope you all understood the basic concepts of related to this chapter. Now I will be coming back with a new video of this chapter, which is in the second part of the video. Then take care. Till then, take care and bye bye.